Today we are at Fontana Forni in San Lorenzo in Campo. This is the manufacturing facility in Italy. This is the heart of where it all happens. Everything is done here. They bring in their stainless steel and steel. It is cut here, it's welded here, it's assembled here. Everything is made in Italy. And therefore they can control the quality and they know what they're producing is something that's going to perform the way it's supposed to perform. They pay close attention to detail, from the types of materials they're using, the type of stainless steel, the type of insulation, the quantity of insulation. The stones that they use are certified to come in contact with food, to be safe to come in contact with food. Everything that they do here, because this is the heart, is controlled here, and we know what we get from them is going to be quality and is going to perform the way it's designed to perform.